Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's gaining significant attention: blockchain. A beginner's crash course by Digpeg. We'll break down some of the complex concepts into easy-to-understand terms, making it accessible for everyone. Our goal today is to uncover the potential of blockchain and how it can impact our lives. So, let's dive in and explore what blockchain really is. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger. It records information in a way that is secure, transparent, and, importantly, impossible to change. This means that once information is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. Now, why is this significant? It enhances trust and accountability, especially in transactions where security is paramount. As we move forward, keep in mind how this technology is not just a trend, it's a foundational shift in how we think about data management. Now, let's dive into a fascinating aspect of blockchain: decentralization. Unlike traditional systems where a central authority, like a bank, oversees transactions, blockchain operates decentrally. This means that every computer in the network holds a copy of the ledger. This structure not only eliminates the risk of a single point of failure, but it also significantly reduces our reliance on third parties. As a result, we could see lower transaction costs and a more efficient system overall. So, think about it: a system that empowers everyone equally, fostering transparency and security. As we move forward, keep in mind how this decentralization is just the beginning of blockchain's potential.